Alright guys, got the dash out. I'm going to change these speakers out. Clean some of those up. See, this is a 4, this is like a 3.5, so a little bit different, but I think they just fit right in here. Hey guys, got the Polk speakers in, turned out good. I even put these JBLs here in the center just to add a little more umps and kind of check over here, but they're in there pretty good. Windshield's going in later, so figured I'd show you this when we get the dash in. But I am in the process of putting the rear speakers in. These are 4x6 kickers. Let's see. These are the kickers I'm putting in here. These are the JBLs I'm putting in the center there. They'd work good for the outside. And these are the Polks I'm putting on the corners. So just kind of wanted to show you guys before I buttoned it up, but yeah, hopefully these kickers are good. Not very many choices out there. There's some focals and there's like 3 choices. I just chose the kicker. I think they'll be adequate by the specs, and then I matched the specs to these other speakers in the dash. So I think we should be doing pretty well. And then I got the box here I'm gonna stick up in here, but we'll show you that in a minute. Hey guys, got the stereo all installed. Turned out awesome. The double dim looks great in the dash. This thing sounds great. I mean, it is awesome. All I gotta do is get the back camera put in later, and the backup camera will work. Just like back here, I've got the 10x4 kickers, and then I've got a Rockford fosgate 12-inch R2 subwoofer and the Planet Audio amplifier to run it. This thing just turned out great. The upholstery turned out great. And then of course I've got the speakers up in the dash I showed you guys I installed earlier. And it just turned out phenomenal. And the sound is phenomenal. So guys, this kind of finishes up the video of the stereo system. I do appreciate you guys. I do have the amplifier knob right there mounted on the dash so I can adjust it. But guys, hit subscribe, check out more of my videos, and awesome. Thank you guys.